Right, so like I said, we start off at the furthest end of the car park. 2 cones, get as close to the left hand side as you possibly can. So the idea is, like I said, to turn that trailer as quickly as we can to get over to your left hand side, so we can then avoid hitting that cone. So the idea is to go nice and slow. So I should start seeing the cone now, my right door mirror. If I can't, yes I can, there it is. So I've now gone past the cone, so now I'm aiming to get into the bay. So fairly straight line. So it's a constant checking of both those mirrors to make sure we don't go out of the bay and we don't hit any cones. So I can now see that I'm practically in the bay, so I was going really slow so I don't overshoot, looking for those reference, and I can see better my right door mirror than I can my left mirror. I'm happy with that.